and welcome. In this video, we will work with actions on the smartQED app and notice how that data and that activity gets captured in the Jira ticketing tool. So actions are essentially remedial actions that we as investigators often take on our stack or components of the stack during the course of that investigation, as we try and check if an activity helps solve the problem. Like in this case, I can pick an action here from the drop down. In this case, let me select upgrade, put in a note. I want to add memory, so I'm going to make a note of that. Was it useful? Yes, it was. I found that it was useful. Capture a start time. Due by, this should not take more than an hour, so that is that. You can choose a purpose from the drop down. I'm going to choose permanent workaround. And if the action is complete, I can log the end time as well. In this case, it got over in just about a couple of minutes, so that is that. Save or submit this action, and this will get captured in smartQED, and we can go and confirm that it has also been captured in Jira. This is something which my colleagues have added. This is something which I have added. All of our actions have been captured in Jira, so that's great. Now, I do know for a fact that this node or this cause is a cause for concern, so I'm going to set the status of this cause here to contributing cause. And I'm reasonably sure that by now my colleagues have also reached some conclusions regarding their causes. So I'm sure they will also be updating their, and they have done, and they have also found problems with whatever they were investigating. So they have set the status to contributing cause. We can see the paths have become red, and if we go to Jira, we will see that all of us did things, and all of the different timestamps of the fishbone have been captured as pictures. This is the latest one where all three of us have confirmed the status of their causes. So that is that. Now we're very close to our investigation being completed. We have found out what the problem was, where it was, and what kind of remedial actions were necessary. So we can now close the investigation, by which we will essentially lock the fishbone. There we go. What this does is that it pushes the data into a completed state, and it also flashes a QED stamp, and we can actually see this stamp in Jira as well. There we go. If I enlarge this, we will see this QED stamp. Now, it might so happen that we realize that we were a bit premature in closing the investigation, or it might also happen that we want to open it for some other reason, then we can unlock it. And if we unlock it, all that will happen is that it will once again be available for editing, and the QED stamp will get removed. And we can confirm that in Jira as well. There we go. And I'm going to enlarge this, and we find that the the QED stamp has disappeared, which essentially means that the problem is unlocked and the problem is once again available for editing. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.